Hello, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. At this rate, I'm even ashamed to say my YouTube channel because I mean, child, I don't want to be associated with inconsistency. I mean, I am though. I am inconsistent, but like, don't associate that with me. So you guys, I'm a broke buddy. I'm always looking for ways to make money in the comfort of my own home, and I've found one other way. I did plug you guys on Easy Equities, and I see your response on that video that you really liked the video, and I thought, why not bring you guys some more ways to make money in the comfort of your own home. So I've been doing surveys. I've done quite a number of survey sites, but in this video specifically, I'll be talking about two survey sites that I've done. That is because I am confident about these because I've cashed out from these two survey sites. Not cashed out, but like the money is in my possession. Like no one's gonna take it from me. That is. So the two survey sites that I'm going to be talking about today is one, my favorite. Is it my favorite? I don't know. Survey Time. Survey Time pays you in dollars. You get $1 for each survey you complete. Sometimes you get like 50 cents. That is half a dollar for you make the math how much that is in South African rands. I think it's about 15 rands. 15 rand is $1. And then if you make half a dollar, like 50 cents, you're making it is 7 rand 50, I guess. And surveys range from like a minute up to an hour. I've seen a survey that's like 55 minutes long, but that's not with survey time. Survey time, I think the longest survey I've seen is 30 minutes, but I think the pay is standard. It's like $1 or 50 cents. I don't think it goes beyond $1. But I'm still new in those streets. If there is something I learn, or if I am wrong about this, or if there's someone who ever tried survey time and they know that they can pay you more than $1, please comment down below and tell me and everyone who's listening how it goes. So I think I've completed a number of 10. No, I'm not really sure about how many surveys I really completed on survey time, but I have made a total of $12.50, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, I'm gonna show you in the next when I am showing you how the site works, how much I really made. The second survey site I have tried is Prolific, and this one is quite, I don't know, it's the top of the tier. Like you feel safe even when you're there. Not that the others don't feel safe, but their surveys are just man, it's mostly used by people who are doing academic research. Like some of the surveys I've completed, I think they're for people who are studying something to do with optometry, and some of them but like it's mostly like medical people. You do get random surveys, like surveys about poetry. You do get but mostly it's used by people who are conducting academic research. This survey site does pay, right? But the downside is that the person who was conducting the survey has to approve your survey before you get your payment. Prolific pays in euros. So guys, with signing up for Prolific, you do need to put your personal details. Like they want you to scan your ID. So it is a bit scary to put such details online, but I understand where they're coming from and why they need such information, because you understand after doing these surveys, you'll also understand why they need such security to check if you're a person or you're a robot. And if something happens, because these surveys are people's academic research, right? So someone could just copy the questions. Let's say you're doing a similar research in a similar qualification, you can like just copy the questions and submit that as your own research. They wanna use your ID for such instances. I think so. That's what I think. They never said that to me, so don't come for me in the comment section. So guys, I will show you how the sites actually look. In the next video, I will tell you about 2 more survey sites that I have been trying out, and will report back to you if they're legit or not, because I don't want to give you guys information about sites and they turn out to be scams. I don't want that. I don't want to be scammed, but at the same time, I don't really want to get people scammed just for views, just for YouTube views. So guys, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video like I enjoyed making it. I'll show you guys how the survey sites look and how they actually operate. So we're gonna start with Prolific, guys. As you can see, I have a total of 11 studies submitted. That is my submissions. It's actually 10 because the 11th one I signed out of it before I could finish it, because it wanted people that are in the US and I am not. So 8 of my submissions are approved. That is, I've already received the money for them, and 2 of my submissions are still awaiting review. As you can see there, I have 16 euros 92 that has been approved that I can cash out, and 3 euros 50 that is still awaiting review. All of the money you get on Prolific, when you transfer it to your PayPal account, you get all of it there. You get all of it there. They don't charge you any fees for transferring the money. And as you can see, they only do their payments on Tuesdays and Fridays. Yeah, I think you can hear my daughter in the background. I am sorry for that. Now let's move on to survey time. Now with survey time, as you can see there, they do have studies that have $1. So yeah, with survey time, it doesn't show a detailed history as Prolific does. It only just shows the money that has been paid into my account. Which is the last survey I did was on the 4th of October, since the 28th of September. I think I've done I've done 10 surveys in total. So that gives me $10 on survey time. So yeah, that is it for the apps. So yeah, guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing more of this type of content now, because I'm reviewing 2 more or 4. I'm just going to do 4 more in my next video. That is probably in the coming week. I'm going to do 4 more surveys, because I'm trying out 4 other surveys apart from Prolific and survey time. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much from me to you. Much love. Mwah.